here I just wanted to show you guys what shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner that I use. I've been using these three products since I was little. My mom been using them on our hair since we were kids. So I decided not to reuse any other products just because I like to stay with the flow and not use anything. And so right here, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what how I put the deep conditioner in, and I leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even 30, if I forget to look at the time. But I believe the longer the better. But I mean, as long as you have your deep conditioning anyway, and hot oil treatments and stuff like that, those things work. So I just left that in for 20 minutes, and then you guys gonna see. Guys, this is my braiding pattern that I'm going to be using, and it does justice, just because I'm braiding my hair on my own, and I really don't like asking people for help, so I just did this on my own. And I know I'm not using the live hair, but in my last review I did state that the Onyx Jerky hair does me justice, so I have no problem buying it at all. As long as I wrap it up at night and do things like that, it works out for me. So as I did that first track, after I laid my first track, what I did was I went through the weft, just so if I wanted to pull it up in a ponytail, I would be able to. And then for those any other track that I put on besides that first track, I didn't go through the weft, I went over the weft. So I didn't go through the weft, I went over the weft. So anytime you have like bundles or anything that you don't want to mess them up, don't go through the weft. I've learned my lesson. Don't go through the wefts. Go over the wefts, like so, over the wefts. Those will last longer, your bundles will last longer, and any type of hair that you have will last longer if you want it to last. So the rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. It's just of me continuing to sew my hair down. I'm going to sew that last track on at the top, and then I'm just going to style it. I was going for a straight chic or sleek look. So I believe that I accomplished that. If you guys like more depth videos like this, just let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to get better as far as like editing and putting more effort into my editing. So if you guys want to see more of this or more, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm always looking for you guys' feedback. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to let the rest of this video play, and I'm going to get off this mic. See you guys later.